no matter the change of leadership within the department, we still have to carry on.
Nakatakda ng i-anunsyo ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang bagong kalihim ng Department of Education o DepEd nitong linggo dahil anya hindi maaaring maiwang bakante ang nasabing posisyon. Ito'y matapos ang naging pag-alis sa pwesto ni Vice Presidente Sara Duterte bilang kalihim ng DepEd at co-vice chairperson ng National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict o NTF-ELCAC, kung saan ibinahagi ni Marcos na walang ibinigay na dahilan si Sara sa kanya ukol dito.
I asked her if there were any particular reasons why she has chosen to resign from the Department of Education and from the NTF-ELCAC. And she said, wag na lang natin pag-usapan. So I did not force the issue.
Ukol naman sa planong pagtakbo ng mga Duterte sa taong 2025 bilang senador ay ibinagit ni Marcos na malaya ang mga ito na tumakbo sa susunod na eleksyon.
It's a free country. They're allowed to do whatever it is they want. It's still early. We really won't know any of these things. We're talking about 2028. Ang dami pang mangyayari between now and 2028. The only real situation will become clear in October sa filing.
Nang mapag-usapan naman ang estado ng UNITEAM, ay ibinahagi ni Marcos na hindi kailanman naging bahagi ng alyansang UNITEAM ang Partido Demokratiko Pilipino o PDP, kaya't wala itong naging pagbabago.
You have to remember, the PDP was never part of the Unity team. PDP was never part of Unity team, kahit na nung eleksyon. If you look at the structure of the parties that ran together in the last election, that really hasn't changed.
Daniza Lopez nag-uulat para sa One Media Network.